I'm going to show you how to tie the constrictor knot. The constrictor knot is the ultimate knot to tie a rope to a round object, a pole or anything else. It is super strong, but it is very difficult to remove. What you do is you take the running end here, you give yourself plenty of slack, and then you come around like this, just like that. You create a little X there, no problem. And then you come around here to the right hand side of the knot. And what you're going to do is you're going to pass it under this loop and this loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow through here, follow through there, and then tighten it up. And then voila, you have the constrictor knot. As you can see, it generates this nice X. It's very easy to understand. It's really important that you don't mix this up with the strangle knot, the miller, or the clove hitch, because those are very different knots. This one, again, you come around, you come across, under, and that should be a very symmetric knot. People actually can use this knot to attach a dryer vent to a hose or something on your car, and no matter how hard I pull, this will never ever come undone. However, once you tighten the heck out of this thing, because of the double pass through here, it is very difficult to untie. I'm using thick rope here, but if you're using thin rope or paracord, it would be very difficult to get off. So the constrictor knot is one of my favorite knots, featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. I show you where to use it, but most importantly, where, when, and not to use it, and the consequence of using that knot. So check out links below to that knot. Constrictors, definitely one of my favorites, simply because it just gets the job done, and it's way safer than the clove hitch for lashings. I definitely wish they didn't use the clove hitch in the Boy Scout program, because it doesn't hold up well in spars. It's very easy to tie incorrectly. However, it is much easier to inspect than the constrictor knot, so there is that. Check it out. Enjoy the constrictor knot, and please like, comment, and subscribe.